Good morning children. In the previous class we have done some story problems. In this class we are going to do one more story problem in page number 33 and 33 workbook. Now I am going to read the 15th question. Okay children. Raman had an yearly salary package of 1,531,425 from which he spends rupees 854,937 in a year. Estimate the total savings he had with him at the end of the year. By rounding off the given numbers to the nearest 10,000s, also find his actual savings and then find the difference between the actual savings and the estimated savings. So, Raman is earning how much? He is earning 1,531,425. After, he is spending 854,937. Now, we have to find out the amount he is saving. And we have to find out the actual amount he is saving, and also we have to find out the estimated amount he is saving, and find out the difference between the actual savings and the estimated savings. Okay children, now let us do the sum. First let us find out the actual savings. Okay, so what is the amount earned by the Raman? Amount earned by Raman. Amount earned by Raman. So how much he is earning? He is earning 1,531,425. So the amount spent in a year. Amount spent in a year. So how much amount he is spending? He is spending 854,937. Now let us find out the actual savings. Now we have to find out the actual savings. Actual savings. We can find out the actual savings by subtraction. We can find out the actual savings by subtraction. So let us do the subtraction. We can't subtract 7 from 5. So 5 has to borrow. After borrowing, 5 will become 15 and 2 will become 1. Okay children, 5 will become 15 and 2 will become 1. 15 minus 7 is 8. We can't subtract 3 from 1. So 1 has to borrow. 1 will become 11 and 4 will become 3. 11 minus 3 is how much? 11 minus 3 is 8. 11 minus 3 is 8. We can't subtract 9 from 3. So 3 has to borrow. 3 will become 13 and 1 will become 0. Okay. 13 minus 9 is 4. So we can't subtract 4 from 0. So 4 has 0. So 0 has to borrow. 0 will become 10 and 3 will become 2. 10 minus 4 is 6. We can't subtract 5 from 2. So 2 has to borrow. 2 will become 12 and 5 will become 4. 12 minus 5 is 7. We can't subtract 8 from 4. So 4 has to borrow. 4 will become 14 and 1 will become 0. 14 minus 8 is 6. So the actual savings is 676,488. That is the actual savings. Now let us find out the estimated savings. Now let us find out the estimated savings. Estimated savings. Okay, estimated savings can be found out by rounding off the numbers to the nearest 10,000. Okay children, first we have to round off 1,531,425 to the nearest 10,000. When we have to round it off to the nearest 10,000, we have to underline the digit at thousands place. Here the digit at the thousands place is 1. So you cannot add, it is less than 5, so no need of adding on to the next number. So this will become 1,530,000. 1,530,000. And the next number is 854 1937. Now we have to round it off to the nearest thousand. For it, we have to underline the number in the thousands place. The number in the thousands place is 4 and it is less than 5. So no need of adding on to the next number. So the answer is 850,000. 850,000. Now we have to subtract these numbers to find out the estimated savings. 0 minus 0 is 0, 0, 0, 0. You can't subtract 5 from 3. So 3 has to borrow. 3 will become 13 and 13 minus 5 is 8. And 5 will become 4. We can't subtract 8 from 4. So 4 has to borrow. So 4 will become 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. So this is the estimated savings. This is the actual savings and this is the estimated savings. So actual savings is 676,488. Estimated saving is 680,000. Now we have to find out the difference between the estimated savings and the actual savings. Okay, children. So now we have to find out the difference between the estimated savings and the actual savings. Estimated savings. Estimated savings is 680,000 and actual savings. Actual savings is 676,488. Now we have to find out the difference between the estimated savings and the actual savings. We have to find out the difference. We have to find out the difference. Difference means you have to do subtraction. This 0 will become 10. This will become 9, this will become 9, this will become 9 and this will become 7. 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 6 is 3, 7 minus 7 is 0, 6 minus 6 is 0. So the difference between the estimated savings and the actual savings is 3,512. Okay, children? Now let us do the MCQs in the next page. Now let us do the MCQs. Let us do the first MCQ. So what is the question? The number name of 65,87,957 in Indian place value system. Here a number is given. The number is. Now you have to write down the number name in Indian place value system. So what is the number name for this number? 65 lakhs. 65 lakhs. 87,000. 65 lakhs 87,000 954. So this answer is in the option C. This answer is in the option C. So we have to take C. Okay, children. The first question is you have to write the number name for this number. So the number name is 65,87,954. Here 3 options are given. So the correct option is C. Okay, children. option is C. So you pick the C option. Okay children. Now let us move to the second question. Let us move to the second question. So what is the second question? The second question is the number name of, here a number is given and you have to write the number name for that number in international system, international place value system. So now we have to write down the number name for this number in international place value system. So let us write down the number name. So 4 millions, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. So 4 millions 312. So this is the answer. 4,692,312. So here three options are given. So the correct answer is B. Here three options are given. The correct answer is B. So all of you pick the B option. Okay children, all of you pick the B option. Now let us do the next question. That is third question. Six millions 128,756 can be decomposed as. Decomposed means you have to write the expanded form. Decomposed means you have to write the expanded form. So plus 6 millions plus 100,000 plus 20,000 plus 8,000 plus 70 plus 56. This is the way of decomposing this number. Decompose means you have to write the expanded form of the given number. So here three options are given and the correct option is A. So all of you tick A option. So all of you tick A option. Okay children. Now let us do the fourth question. Now let us do the fourth question. So what is the fourth question? The place value of 4 in 1,458,125 according to the international place value system. So you have to write down the place value of 4 in 1,458,125 according to the international place value system. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. So 4 is in which place? 4 is in 100,000s place. So its place value is 400 millions. 400 millions. The correct option is given in C. Here three options are given. So C is the correct option. So all of you tick C. Okay children. Now let us do the fifth sum. Let us do the fifth sum. So what is the fifth question? Fill in the blanks with correct symbol. So you have to fill the correct symbol for the blank. That is 11 lakhs 45,000. For 11 crores 45,000. 45 lakhs 68,125. 114,568,125. This number is given in Indian system and this number is given in international system. Let us change this number to international system. Okay. 11 crores 45 lakhs 68,125. In crores period, both the numbers are having 11. In lakhs period also, both the numbers are having same numbers. In thousand period also, both the numbers are having same numbers. In ones period also, both the numbers are having same numbers. Okay. So you have to put the symbol equal to. Equal to is given in the option C. So all of you tick the option C. Okay children. I have explained 5 sums. Remaining 5 sums I will explain in the tomorrow's class. Okay, for today's homework is, the homework is you have to do the application part in page number 35. Okay children. Today's homework is you have to do the application part in page number 35. The homework is you have to write down the population of 5 states. You have to write down the population of 5 states and fill the questions given under the table. Okay children. You have to write down the population of 5 states and fill the questions given under the table. Okay children. All of you do the application part for homework. That's all for today's class. Okay, bye.